Thanks for joining us for part 3 of our year-end videos. This video will take a look at the times that we were stuck, some of the trail maintenance that we did, and the people that made this year great. This is our 2020 year-end wrap-up. Sometimes getting stuck is just a part of the journey. Trouble's in trouble. Well, crap. It's pretty thick ice and I just fell through it. Yep. Don't open the door.
Yeah, there's a big rock there. I can't get up.
Missed trouble there, found some trouble. Right there is a huge rock. And she cannot go forward and she cannot go back. Locked up, still can't go forward or back. Dana got mud in my hand. Game over, kids. Game over. Daryl, you got just a small spot.
Yeah, just
I'll get it. Okay, you're good. Yeah.
Spot.
Yeah, just
Did
one.
he coach you? Yeah, Jeremy hid behind me.
It's okay, bud. Yeah, that's what happened to me. Maintaining the trail is a part of responsible wheeling. This is trail maintenance. Trail maintenance. Come on, boys. Pick a direction. Trail maintenance. Ultimately, great wheeling comes down to a great group of people. This is part of our wheeling family. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check us out in 2021 as we go on new adventures.
Deep. This is almost up to my nipples right here. This is actually very high.